I say, which of the following gases is lighter than air? Now, how do you know gas that is lighter than air, and how do you know gas that are heavier than air? Now, first of all, identify the composition of air. Air is made up of what and what? So just know that our air, the air that we breathe, is made up of, we have nitrogen and what? Oxygen. And the percentage of nitrogen in the air is, we have 78%, and that of oxygen is what? We have 21%, making a total of what? 99%. Okay, 99%. Other things that can make up, that can complete this 1%, that is 100%. We have noble gases, we have carbon dioxide, we have a water vapor. So the major element that comprises of this air is what? Nitrogen and what? Oxygen. Now you are going to look at the relative atomic mass of this nitrogen, of this nitrogen and oxygen. All right, look at nitrogen has atomic mass of what? 14. Oxygen has atomic mass of what? 16. So if you add them together, will give you what? Will give you 30. So any gas that is has a relative atomic mass that is lesser than 30, it means that that gas is lighter than what? Air. But any gas that has the relative atomic mass that is more than this 30, it means that that gas is heavier than what? Heavier than air. Is that understood? Now let's go to the first one. If you look at carbon here is equals to what? 12, and oxygen here is equals to what? 16. But oxygen is diatomic, so times what? 2. So we have what? Equals to what? 32. Is that understood? So if we calculate now, 12 plus 32 will give us what? 40. Will give us 44. It means that carbon dioxide is what? Heavier than what? Heavier than air. So it's not lighter than air. We proceed to our what? Our sulfur dioxide. Is the same thing. Sulfur is equals to what? 32. 32. Oxygen, we have already know that oxygen is what? 32 times what? 30 what? Sorry, plus what? 32 is equals to what? 64. So this one is also heavier than what? Air. We proceed to HCl. HCl, chlorine has what? 37, 35.5 plus what? Plus hydrogen is what? 1. It will give you what? 36.5. Now we now go to the next one. We already know that our nitrogen is equals to what? 14, and hydrogen here we have 1. Hydrogen is 1. So 1 times what? Has what? 3 atoms. 3 will give you what? Give you 4. So total will be what? 14 plus 3 give you what? 17. So the one that is lighter, you can see that the relative atomic mass of ammonia is lighter than what? Is less than what? The one option D.